Today we're gonna be working on Leetcode question number 168, Excel sheet column title. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. For example, A is gonna be, so if 1 is given, we have to convert it to A. If 2 is provided, we have to convert it to B. 3 is going to be converted to C, 26 is going to be converted to Z, 27 is going to be converted to AA, and so on and so forth. So this is how we're going to do it. So basically, first of all, we're going to create a list of these capitals like A, capital B, like big C, big D, so on. So we'll call it capitals. So in order to do that, we need to have a range, right? The range is gonna be we have to convert the character A to Unicode. For that, we'll use the ORD function, and then we're gonna do the same thing to ORD of Z plus 1. That's our range, and in that range, for X inside this range, when we will be getting like every single Unicode, we have to convert it back to the character, which we're gonna use the chr function, which is gonna take that X, and basically it takes an integer and convert it back to a Unicode. So this is gonna give us a list of characters from A to Z. Okay, once we have the we're gonna initialize our result equals to an empty list, then we're gonna say that while our column number is greater than 0. So the logic is every single time take the modulus and append it to the result, modulus of the number and 26, and then divide the number by 26, and keep doing it until this number is no more greater than 0. So we're gonna say result dot append the capitals and column number minus 1. This is because with the minus 1 is needed, because otherwise it just won't create the proper result, because we don't want to have it's 0 index space, so we want to have the modulus of column number minus 1 by 26 instead of just the column number by 26. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing when we are dividing the number. So if it is column number equals to column number minus 1 floor division by 26. So every single time we're taking the modulus, like the remainder, and putting it in the result, and then dividing the number by 26. Okay, and then once we have this result, we're gonna say that the result, because the order is gonna be like opposite, we're gonna reverse the result, and in the end we're gonna join the result and return that, to like basically creating a string. Return dot join the result. Let's see how it does for the other test cases. Yep, and it passed all the test cases.